Hi, my name is Dawn Mahan. I'm excited to speak at the PMO Impact Summit. My workshop is called Welcome to Project Land, Plan to Expand Your Reputation, Reach, and Results. Once you've started showing impact, it's time to expand your reach and help the non-project managers in your organization too. They need to learn what they need to do to be successful in Project Land. We'll discuss strategies for expanding your reputation as the go-to project guru in your organization for even the non-project manager, so that you can help your entire organization achieve even greater results. Register now and join me in the mobile app, and let's get the conversation started.